Hello, children. Your ma'am is back with the session number 2 of the chapter number 7, Jerks and Mercs. In today's session, we will discuss some word problems related to capacity. But before that, let's do revision of what we learned in our previous session. We learned that we can measure the capacity of liquid in liters and milliliters. Liter is the biggest unit of capacity. Milliliter is the smallest unit of capacity, and we all know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Liter can be written as small l in short form and milliliter can be written as small letters ml in short form. Clear? Now let's do one activity from your textbook. Look around. You can find this activity on the page number 74. Look at the following pictures. Now look for some other things we get in packets or bottles. Like the followings. Make your own list. Here you are supposed to make your own list. I have made one list. Let's see the list which is made by me. Here we can make a list of things we get in packets as well as in bottles. Also, we are supposed to write the capacity of that thing in milliliters or liters. First, milk is given and the capacity of milk packet is 500 milliliters. Next, cough syrup. I have a bottle of cough syrup of 200 milliliters. Next, eye drop of 10 milliliters. Then, a bottle of cold drink which contains 1 liter of cold drink. At last, a bottle of tomato sauce and its capacity is 950 milliliters. You can write other things also. Try to make your own list in your notebook. Let's proceed further. Look what Adityan is saying. I poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. How much water does his small bottle hold? Let's solve together. Number of small bottles he used to fill 1 liter bottle. Yes, 2. So we can say total capacity of 2 small bottles is 1 liter. So the capacity of 1 small bottle will be half of liter. Am I correct? Yes. And we know half of liter equals to 500 milliliters. So we can say his small bottle holds 500 milliliters water. So the answer is 500 milliliters. Now Leela is saying that to fill the 1 liter bottle, I need to pour water 5 times from my small bottle. Then how much water does Leela's bottle hold? Here is the solution. Number of small bottles she used to fill 1 liter bottle. Yes, 5. So we can say total capacity of 5 small bottles is 1 liter, and we know 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. So the capacity of one small bottle will be 1000 divided by 5. Now do this division orally. Simply we know 10 divided by 5 becomes 2, because 5 2s are 10, and put 2 zeros. So it becomes 200. That means 200 milliliters. You can find the answer of division using pen and paper also. So we can say that her small bottle holds 200 milliliters water. So the answer is 200 milliliters. Now page number 77. Neetu in hospital. Neetu has to take 3 injections in a day for 5 days. One injection gives 5 milliliters of the medicine to Neetu's body. How much medicine will she need for 1 day? And how much medicine in all for 5 days? Let's find out the answers of both the questions separately. Here is the solution of first question. For 1 day, number of injections she has to take in a day is 3. Amount of medicine in 1 injection, or we can say the capacity of injection is 5 milliliters. So we can say total amount of medicine in 3 injections will be 3 multiplied by 5. 3 times 5. And we know 3 5s are, yes, 15 milliliters. So we can say she will need 15 milliliters medicine in 1 day. Now second solution for 5 days. Amount of medicine she needs in 1 day is 15 milliliters, and amount of medicine she needs in 5 days is 15 multiplied by 5. 15 times 5, or we can say 5 times 15. And that is 75 milliliters. Here you can use the word capacity also instead of amount. So we can say she will need 75 milliliters medicine for 5 days. Clear? Good. Now it's your homework time. Ramu's measuring bottle. You can find this question on the page number 75. Ramu got an empty 250 milliliters coconut oil bottle. Look at the picture and discuss what he did to make his big measuring bottle. Here Ramu wants to measure the capacity of big bottle. That means blue colored bottle. by using coconut oil bottle of 250 milliliters. Help him to find out the capacity of big bottle. Here we have completed our session 2. I hope you must have understood the method of solving the problem sums. We will solve many more word problems in our next session. Thank you.